Did you know that there are different ways to make a number? Let's dive in. How can we show the number 1000 using place value blocks? We could use 1000, or we could use 10 hundreds. Now let's think about the number 100. We could show this with 100, or we could use 10 tens. Finally, to show the number 10, we could use 110, or 10 ones. There are many ways to make a number. Let's try it out with some examples. Here is one way to break apart 2,766. 2,000s plus 700s plus 6 tens plus 6 ones. We can show this using blocks. Great! Now let's break apart 2,766 in a different way. 2,000s plus 700s plus 5 tens plus some number of ones. Instead of 6 tens, we only need 5 tens. So let's regroup 110 as 10 ones. Now we have 5 tens. Let's count how many ones we have. There are the 10 ones we regrouped, plus the 6 ones we started with. That's 16 ones. So we can break apart 2,766 as 2,000s plus 700s plus 5 tens plus 16 ones. Nice work! Here is one way to break apart 2,482. 2,000s plus 400s plus 8 tens plus 2 ones. We can show this with blocks, like this. Now let's break apart 2,482 in a different way. Some number of thousands plus 14 hundreds plus 8 tens plus 2 ones. Instead of 4 hundreds, we need 14 hundreds. Since we need 10 more hundreds than we already have, let's regroup 1000 as 10 hundreds. Now we have the 10 hundreds we regrouped, plus the 4 hundreds we started with. That's 14 hundreds. And instead of 2000s, we only have 1000. That's the missing number. So we can break apart 2,482 as 1000 plus 14 hundreds plus 8 tens plus 2 ones. Awesome work! Let's try one more example. One way to break apart 1,225 is 1,000 plus 200 plus 20 plus 5. We can show this with blocks, like this. Now let's break apart 1,225 in a different way. 1,000 plus some number plus 120 plus 5. This way uses 120 instead of 20. How do we make 120? Let's regroup 100. 100 is the same as 10 tens. Now we have the 10 tens we regrouped plus the 2 tens we started with. That's 12 tens, which is 120. Now instead of 200s, we only have 100. So we can break apart 1,225 as 1,000 plus 100 plus 120 plus 5. Great!